Mûingî gũkorwo ũgĩtabanageria kana ũgĩtuithanageria cira wao nja wa igoti. Mũbango ũrĩa kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũcirithania mũnene igoti-inĩ rĩrĩ augĩte atĩ nĩ ũkoretwo ũgĩteithia na njĩra nene harĩ gũkinya kana kũhonokia kĩgĩna makĩria ma ciringi birioni 1.8 harĩ o mwaka. Mũnini wa mũcirithania igoti-inĩ rĩrĩ Dorcas Endo nĩ agĩbangĩte igongona rĩa gũteithĩrĩria kana rĩa gũthomithia mũingĩ mwena ũyũ kana rĩgũgĩkorwo rĩgĩkuruhania rũhonge rwa ũcirithania na mũingĩ mwena ũyũ wa Embu.
Dorcas Endo, Resident Magistrate and Mediation Deputy Registrar, Embu Law Courts. Together with our Court Users Committee, we have organized a Stakeholders Open Day where we will be sensitizing the members of Embu County, the general public, about court annexed mediation. It is a program that we run in our courts where we try and resolve disputes through mediation. We'll be at Embu Stadium, Embu Moi Stadium. It starts at 9. We shall be sensitizing members of the public about our operations in court and more so about the court annexed mediation. The event tomorrow is jointly done at the county level with our sister stations, Runyenje's Law Courts and Siakago Law Courts and the Embu Magistrates Court under the supervisory jurisdiction of Embu High Court. We shall also have guest judges attending tomorrow. We have a guest speaker. We shall have members of the Court Users Committee. And by members of Court Users Committee, I'm referring to the Probation Office, the government leadership. We have the County Commissioner, the County Police Commander. We have the grace of having the county government leadership in attendance. We will have the police service, we will have the prisons there, and we will all be talking about mediation.
My name is Rose Megwe, an advocate of the High Court of Kenya, and also the chairperson, LSK, Embu chapter. Tomorrow we have an open day, a mediation open day at Moi Stadium. The event will start from the law courts tomorrow at 9, and we'll have a walk all the way to the Embu Stadium as we try to reach out many people to sensitize the public in Embu about mediation and what mediation is all about. As the Embu Law Courts, we rolled out the program in 2019, and so far we have had success of mediation.
Haya, tukime kaunti ya Embu